Recently, we left the Sunshine State for Indiana to see the differences in irrigation practices and report them back to you. In this video, Josh and I will show you what plowing has to do with landscape irrigation and how it's done.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Indianapolis. Local time is 3:27. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened to the captain has turned on the seatbelt sign, and please keep the aisles clear of all carry-on bags until we part to the gate and the captain has turned on the seatbelt sign.
Before Josh got this job with Bellinger's, he drove one of those humongous tractors with GPS, air conditioning, and mini fridges, but that's not what we're going to show you today. Instead, we'll show you how plowing, in this instance, is just a nickname for a method of installing PVC pipe in the ground without trenching. It's pretty fascinating, and I have never seen it done in California. The machine Josh will use is kept in his 24-foot trailer and is called a Case Maxi Sneaker.
Alright, today we're going to be working on plowing in a new line, a lateral line for the backyard. Got damaged by some drainage work that was going on, so we got to put in a new line. So here we go. So obviously flag out where you're putting your sprinklers. And then strategically think through how you're going to be plowing. You have to be able to get your plow back here. You have to be able to plow on what you're planning on pulling over. So make sure that the grass is, or the ground is solid enough and not going to be, you're not going to leave ruts in the lawn if possible. Then you lay out your pipe, thinking about where the utilities are. Get your utilities located, because usually you'll have to hand dig that spot so that you know where they are. If it's deep enough, you can pull your plow up over it. If it's shallow, then you have to pull your plow completely up and connect them, hand connect them. So lay out your pipe, glue it all together, let it set for a little bit, duct tape the ends, keep debris from getting inside, and then we'll pull it in.
And you use primer on this?
Yeah, we use primer on just about everything we do. You don't have to, but it's industry standard practice, so.
And I see you like to clean the glue off.
Yeah, that was from the class that we went to. When you leave the glue on, it seals over the pocket of glue that's there, and the glue starts to eat away the pipe since it's a solvent. And so wipe the glue off and you have more longevity, especially with glass pipe, which is thinner.
Is that what you're using here?
Yep.
Oh, so even your feed lines you use thin wall pipe?
Yep.
Oh wow.
Has more flow capacity for one.
Yeah.
But it the integrity flow trade-off is enough that we'd rather use this. So we duct tape the end to keep dirt from getting inside while we're plowing it. The end we're pulling, we leave plenty of duct tape on to keep the dirt and rocks and junk from getting inside. The other end we duct tape just in case we have to pull it underground. So.
So you lay the pipe out where it's going to go, and then you have to pull it all the way back.
What do you call that snaky thing?
This is a, well, some people call it a Chinese finger. It's a pulling.
But it tightens down
Tool.
on the pipe as it gets pulled, huh?
Correct, yep. Alright.
How much do you think that thing weighs?
40, 50 pounds.
Do you have an official name for that thing?
Man tamp. Alright, now that's all there is to it. We're going to turn it on and make adjustments. Oh, I was hoping that 3000 would still pop up. Look at that. Thank you, Lord. That's beyond the... Pressure could have been a lot lower than that. 5 rotors, 3 2000s, and a 3000.
As we leave yet another well-done job, this was quite an education watching Josh operate that machine called a vibratory plow, or plow for short. In upcoming videos, we'll learn a bunch of other cool things that he revealed on this job and some of the other jobs we were on, so be sure to like and subscribe and click the bell to get notified when the next videos are available each Monday. Thanks for watching.